Video number 5, all about blockchain wallets. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are becoming increasingly popular due to their many improvements over traditional fiat currencies. If you want to use any of these blockchain-based cryptocurrencies, you'll need to understand how blockchain wallets work. This video explains what is blockchain wallet and describes the different types of blockchain wallets. What is a blockchain wallet? A blockchain wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to manage different kinds of cryptocurrencies, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. A blockchain wallet helps someone exchange funds easily. Transactions are secure as they are cryptographically signed. The wallet is accessible from web devices, including mobile ones, and the privacy and identity of the user are maintained. So a blockchain wallet provides all the features that are necessary for safe and secure transfers and exchanges of funds between different parties. How do blockchain wallets work? Whenever you create a blockchain wallet, you are provided a private key and a public key that is associated with your wallet. Let's use email as an example. If you want to receive an email from someone, you give him or her your email address. But giving out your email address doesn't mean someone will be able to send out emails via your account. Someone would have to know your email account's password to do that. Blockchain wallets follow a similar process using a public key and a private key together. A public key is similar to your email address. You can give it to anyone. When your wallet is generated, a public key is generated, and you can share the public key with anyone in order to receive funds. The private key is top secret. It's similar to your password. It should not get hacked, and you should not disclose it to anyone. You use this private key to spend your funds. If someone gets access to your private key, there is a high possibility that your account is compromised, and you might end up losing all the cryptocurrency deposits in your account. A blockchain wallet has two keys. Public key is shared with everyone, just like the email address. Private key is just your password, which should be kept secret with the sender. Blockchain wallet features. Easy to use. It's just like any other software or a wallet that you use for your day-to-day transactions. Highly secure. It is just a matter of securing your private key. Allows instant transactions across geographies, and these are barrier-free without intermediaries. Low transaction fees. The cost of transferring funds is much lower than with traditional banks. Allows transactions across multiple cryptocurrencies. This helps you do easy currency conversions. Blockchain wallet types. There are two types of blockchain wallets based on private keys: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are like normal wallets that we carry for day-to-day transactions, and these wallets are user-friendly. Cold wallets are similar to a vault. They store cryptocurrencies with a high level of security. Hot wallets. They are the online wallets through which cryptocurrencies can be transferred quickly. Private keys are stored in the cloud for fast transfer. It's easy to access, but has a risk of unrecoverable theft when hacked. Cold wallets. They are digital offline wallets where the transactions are signed offline and later disclosed online. Private keys are stored in a hardware or a paper document. This method of transaction helps in protecting the wallet from unauthorized access and other vulnerabilities. Types. We can further break down wallets into three types: software wallets, hardware wallets, which you plug into your USB drive, and typical paper-based wallets, for which you print your public key and private key on a piece of paper and keep it in a secure place. Software wallets. A software wallet is an application that is downloaded on a device. It could be a desktop or a mobile device, or it could be a web-based wallet that can be accessed online. Bread Wallet, Jaxx, and Copay are popular software wallets. We can further categorize software wallets as desktop wallets, online wallets, web wallets, and mobile wallets. Desktop wallets. Desktop wallets are cold wallets in which the private keys are stored in cold servers in your desktop. You can unplug the wallet from the internet. do some offline transactions, and then bring it back online. In case the main server is lost, then a cold server, basically your desktop, is used as a backup server. These wallets can be downloaded on any computer, but can be accessed only from the system they are installed on. These wallets are definitely cost efficient. Electrum is one of the most popular desktop wallets. Online wallets. These are other kinds of hot wallets that run on the internet. Users have the benefit of accessing these wallets across any device. It could be a tablet or a desktop, or you can access it from your mobile browser. The private keys are stored online and are managed by a third party. For example, Green Address is a Bitcoin wallet that is available on the web, has an Android app, is available on a desktop, and also is available on iOS. Mobile wallets. Mobile wallets are similar to online wallets, except that they are built only for mobile phone use and accessibility. These wallets have a user-friendly interface that helps you do transactions easily. Mycelium is the best available mobile wallet. Hardware wallets. A hardware wallet is a type of cold storage device, typically like a USB, that stores the user's private key in a protected hardware device. These wallets are similar to portable devices that can be connected to the computer, plugged in. As noted earlier, they are less prone to malicious attacks and are hack-proof. Ledger, Trezor, and KeepKey are the top hardware wallets on the market. Paper wallets. A paper wallet is an offline process for storing cryptocurrencies. This wallet is a printed paper that has both your private key and public key, which are accessed using a QR code. Since these wallets are safe, they are widely used for storing large amounts of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin Paper Wallet and MyEther Wallet are two widely used paper wallets. Traditional banking systems pose several problems for doing any transaction. For one thing, transactions are often slow. Blockchain wallets reduce or eliminate these problems. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.